So before starting, if you click on the settings icon and here select the audio track, you can select any language here for my video and understand it in your own language, and it will be translated by the Google. So let's start the video. So hello friends, in this video I tell you how you can easily watch Wednesday season 2 for free. So do watch the video till the end to understand every possible ways how to watch it. So here first let's check out when it will be released. So the first part will be released on August 6th and the second part will be on September 3. Like they have divided the series into two parts. Now I don't know what are they doing with the series and these stuff. So there are three possible ways. The first way is to install your Netflix and buy a pack. The second way is you can just go to my Facebook account and I'll help you there how you can buy Netflix account. And the third step is that there is a Discord server where I help many of my community members how to buy Netflix account or how to buy any type of Prime Video account. And you can also check out my comment box at what I am going to tell you there on my Facebook account. So do text me on my Facebook account. At first you need to follow there, then I'll reply you there. First I was giving my Instagram account, but it was giving some errors. So do text me on Facebook. Thanks for watching.